Namsan Seoul Tower, often just called Namsan Tower or Seoul Tower, is one of the most iconic landmarks in South Korea, offering a panoramic view of Seoul's skyline. As the camera pans across the structure, you'll notice that the tower itself stands atop Namsan Mountain, adding to its impressive height. The tower, built in 1971, originally served as a broadcast tower but has since transformed into a popular tourist attraction. Getting to the tower is relatively easy. There are several options, depending on your preference for convenience or a bit of adventure. By cable car. The nearest subway station is the Myeongdong Station, Line 4, Exit 3. From Myeongdong Station, walk about 10 minutes uphill following the signs to the Namsan Cable Car Station. Upon arriving at the station, purchase a ticket and take the cable car up to the mountain. The ride offers beautiful views of the city and takes you near the base of Namsan Tower. Watch till the end for the prices of cable car and observatory deck. By bus. There are several buses that goes around the tower like Namsan Sunwon Shuttle Bus, bus number 2, 3, and 5. By foot. One may opt to hike and it only takes 30 to 40 minutes from Myeongdong. It takes a bit longer from Itaewon, but this path offers a quieter and more scenic route. Another option is by taxi. You can take the taxi directly to the tower. The driver will drop you off near the base. From there, you'll need to walk a short distance uphill to reach the tower. At night, the tower is illuminated with vibrant LED lights, creating a spectacular visual effect that can be seen from various parts of the city. The colors of the lights often change to mark different events or seasons, making the tower a dynamic part of Seoul's landscape. One of the most famous features of Namsan Tower is the Locks of Love area, where couples attach padlocks to the fences, symbolizing their everlasting love. The sheer number of locks is astounding, with many tourists contributing to this colorful display. The concept is simple. Couples write their names or initials on a padlock, sometimes with a short message, and then lock it onto the fence. The key is often thrown away, signifying that their love will never be unlocked or broken. Over the years, the fences have become heavily adorned with thousands of colorful locks, creating a vibrant and romantic display. The tower also houses restaurants and gift shops, making it a perfect spot for a romantic dinner or to pick up a souvenir. The observation deck is one of its main attractions, offering breathtaking 360-degree views of Seoul and its surrounding areas. Taking the cable car up, I find it not necessary to go to the observation deck as the cable car already gives a stunning view of Seoul's skyline.